This will be a relatively short video that is dealing specifically with the topic of seaberry or sea buckthorn and sexing plants. Are they male? Are they female? It's important to know. Stick around. We're here at the end of the dormant season, late winter, early spring, and on the western edge of our garden we've got a series of cultivar seaberry that we've planted. They haven't budded out yet, but now's a good time to actually look at them and know what's going on. Why do we care if one is male or female? So these are a type of plant that are dioecious, meaning if you want fruit which will present on the female plant, you need pollen from a male plant. One male for every 8 to 10 females should get you there, but you definitely need that male. So let's start with the female, since that's the one that most folks have. I'll try my best to get some clear in-focus shots here, but this is wood that's old enough to be presenting flower buds, and this very strange, unique form of seaberry, very ancient plant. You can see just between my finger and my thumb, there's a bud. It almost looks like a camel toe or like a knuckle or something like that. It's two dominant lobes with a little something in between. And that is the theme of the female flowering part. And here's another variety right in front of me, female. It's a more simple and fat looking bud, the flower bud of these parts. Once we look at male, you'll realize how distinct the two actually are. So right in front of me now is a male seaberry. Now I know that this is male and I know that those are female because they were cloned from cuttings. We got these originally from perfectcircle.farm. I'll link to them in the description, but there are lots of online vendors so you can find them. Now notice these buds. Similar color to the female, but there's way more of like a numerous clustering of small nuggets on there. I liken them to grape nuts or something along that. It's been a while since I've eaten those, but imagine that kind of clustering look. It's like a golden cluster of grapes. Very dense, small numbers, very distinct from female. So this is male and female. More male, multiple buds in a cluster, and female. Same basic layout of the bud, same color, but the female we could describe as being more simple, less numerous, and a little fatter in each of the bits. To my eye, after being around these for a while, it feels very clear who's male and who's female. But if you're just getting started, those are some rules to think about. A very strange way to try to remember it. The camel toe of the female and the grape nuts of the male. I look forward as the season moves on, sharing more notes about how these plants grow, how we work to propagate with them, how we design them into our permaculture food forest landscapes. They're insanely potent, nitrogen-fixing, delicious medicinal fruits that are just so valuable in the landscape. But for now, we'll leave it there, how to determine male and female parts on the seaberry. Hopefully that's helpful. Chat amongst yourselves, share some notes and photos. Maybe you've got better ways to sex them, but that has worked well for us. Thanks for watching.